I'm not supposed to cross, but like, I know I'm not supposed to cross. I know I'm not supposed to cross. But what if I just did anyway? Well, seeing as we're at this red light, I guess now's a good time to do the intro. But what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm back again with a POV drive, back at downtown. So today's video, I wanted to just get some photos of the car. I'm gonna try to go to Davis Island Beach, see if there's any empty spots over there, get some photos for Instagram. But while I'm going there, I figured I'd record another POV drive, another downtown video. Did pretty well, so I'm gonna experiment. And we're gonna see what we can do with this one. For those of you who are new to the channel, the current setup on the car is just an AWE catback. That's it. It sounds really good, honestly. I'm not really, okay. Well, I like the SUBie rumble, but I think for this car, oh, excuse me. I like the SUBie rumble, but I honestly think this car sounds better without headers. I don't know. I don't know. I'll save that for the WRXs. I really just like this just with the catback. I think it's loud enough. It's clean enough. It's not too quiet, but when you get on it, it gets pretty loud. Hops on downshift, can't beat it. I will say though, my favorite part about owning a high revving, quote unquote, slow car is I can just do this, right? See, if you had a faster car, you'd get in trouble for that. Dash cam, I guess, I just decided to turn on. Weird, it does that sometimes. I'll just turn on like 5 minutes after the car's already been on. I missed my turn for that. Oh my goodness, I can't make a U-turn. My bad, I'm sorry, my bad. We both did the same thing. There's no way we both just did that. This thing is small and it has a tight turning radius, so imagine if you had a normal car. I see why some SUV drivers and truck drivers, they just say screw it and they'd be driving all over the ledge and the sidewalk. I'm just like, man, could never be me. Especially once I get a wheel setup going, dude, you already know I'm gonna be low. This thing's got 5 inches of ground clearance stock. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's 5 inches. Gosh, dude, the Amazon van. Dude, imagine. Oh, that's what happens when you miss a gear. Dude, delivering in downtown, that's gotta be such a nightmare. Especially here, dude, people can't drive. Like me, for example, making that dumb 3-point turn. Decel is my favorite part of the exhaust. Like, it just grew on me over time. I was like, dang, this thing just howls. nuisance for no reason. I've never actually been here, so let's see how it is. Got the little bridge action. Bro, I'm really hoping it's not crowded. Little parking garage overlooking the bay. I gotta check my blind spot super weirdly, because if I check it normally, my camera is gonna smack the roof line. Okay, this area is kind of chill. I think there was a car meet down here one time. I don't know. Oh, what's under the hood? What's under the hood? I don't know what type of car that is, if that's even a car. This area is nice. Yo, imagine you gotta pay to get in. Yeah, it's my turn. Oh, dude, that's an NSX. Wow, that was actually a Gen 1 NSX over there. I don't know if you guys caught that. It makes sense it'd be in this area. $100,000 car. Oh yeah. These places by the water are pretty nice, but I mean, nah, I wouldn't do it in Florida. And the reason I say that is because you're gonna have to deal with hurricanes, you know, have to deal with flooding. I'm just like, I don't know. If we're gonna live on the water, I still think California is the better option. Also, the weather's nicer, but I mean, if you like fishing, this is kind of the spot to be. That's the thing. But yeah, that's not me. I don't fish, so that's not unbearable though. It's not unbearable. Oh gosh, dude, I keep missing second. That's a nice STI, guys. You see that? Okay. 997 back there. 911. Oh yeah, I see the potential. I see the potential. Alright guys, so here we are. I decided to park it up right here. As you can see, there's like 1 or 2 cars passing through at like every minute. So we're just gonna take some photos, be quick about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my thing real quick. I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. So yeah, I got the photos, got the videos. I'll give you all a sneak peek. Hopefully you can see that, but yeah. Just did a little something, nothing too crazy. I didn't record any. I would have recorded myself in the process, but I just was trying to get up out of here. It's kind of blocking the lane, but yeah. I'll probably record some of this, or I'll probably upload, oh, you see my finger. I'll probably upload some of this B-roll, but, or maybe I'll turn these into screenshots and update them, or upload them. I'm not quite sure what I'll do with them. But I have them. So yeah, now we're gonna get out of here. I didn't get reported. Security didn't come after me. So yeah, it's always a W. It always sucks when you get kicked out of spots. Oh my gosh, dude, the seagull. You done killed that fish. Hey man, I'm getting hungry too. All right, guys, let's play a game. Let's see how many black people we find. I don't count. No, I'm just kidding. You got something under there, believe it. Trust and believe it. But if I had to park outside, I'd have my car covered as well. I mean, all the rain we get and potential hail, not likely, but you know. My GoPro's about to die, so I'm probably gonna end the video here, but if you guys enjoyed the POV, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that Okay, now you definitely gotta hit the like button because I just freaking destroyed my undercarriage on whatever the... Alright guys, welcome back. So yeah, my GoPro died last minute right there, sorry about that, but yeah, that was pretty much it for the video. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button down below for more. Follow the Instagram, please. I'll be posting a lot more on there, pictures, videos, pretty much just whatever I want. Personal stuff, just anything related to the car, obviously I'll be putting on there. But yeah, just stay tuned for the next video and I will see you